Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys my family and I's day-to-day routine. So we're starting off by eating Subway. Once a week I let Joshua, who is my oldest son, pick a restaurant so that we can eat in, and he had picked Subway today. So we are enjoying our subs.
Something tells me that I won't miss it. It's the first time that we can't fix it. It's irreversible damage done. The thrill is gone.
Dinner time in our home is when we tell each other about how our day was, and usually Joshua is the one that talks the most, telling us how his school day was, and I really cherish this time. It's so fun to see the little stories that he tells us.
Something tells me that I won't miss it. It's the first time that we can't fix it. It's irreversible damage.
So after dinner we put the boys in for bath time, and my husband and I alternate turns, and this night it was his turn to put the boys in. So here the boys are brushing their teeth. We let Izzy brush his teeth first, and then we'll go back in after he's done and brush them for him. Joshua's already older, so he kind of gets the hang of brushing his teeth already.
I'm not a home for the shade. Something tells me that I won't miss it. It's the first time that we can't fix it. It's irreversible damage done. The thrill is gone.
So once the boys are done with bath time, I will usually grab Izzy, and my husband usually gets Jeshi. Jeshi is the daddy's boy, so he always wants his daddy to dress him.
All you did was tell me lies. Something tells me that I won't miss it. It's the first time that we can't fix it. It's irreversible damage done. The thrill is gone. I won't miss this love, no. It's irreversible damage done. The thrill is gone.
Once the boys are dressed, I have them pick a book out so I could read it to them before bedtime. This is a nightly routine that we always do. We never skip this. So while the boys are getting tucked in, I always turn on their diffuser at night. I like to put some drops of lavender essential oil, so it really helps relax them right before they go to bed. Or not. Once the boys are calm and tucked into bed, I read them the book that they chose, and I must admit that this is my favorite time of each day. It's just a bonding with the boys like this.
I know you want to do it too. So bring your courage, there's no rules. Don't be scared, just trust me. Take my hand any minute now. Get ready to smile. I just wanna see the colors and rainbows, 'cause we just wanna be in this dream forever. Just in this dream forever.
Once I'm done reading the book, I tuck them in and give them their goodnight kiss.
Just
Once the boys fall asleep, I go back into the dining room and pick up the mess that we left from dinner.
now that you're knee deep in this vice. Just enjoy, take my advice. You say that you love it and you're okay, but I know better and you're afraid. Have no shame, just let go. Follow me to another land. Try to understand.
Once I'm done cleaning in the dining room, I go into the living room and just pick up the mess that we made from that afternoon. Mess happens quick in this house.
In this dream forever. Just in this dream forever.
Once we're done picking up the house, my husband will find something on Netflix to watch and we'll just relax for the night. And I usually make us some coffee. We are coffee lovers and we can pretty much drink coffee at any time of the day. So that's what I usually do for us while we enjoy a Netflix show.
I recall the past again tonight. It's in the front of my mind. As I fall apart, you begin to cry. The tears are making you blind. The future's far away, but I will stay. I will stay. Just take.
This is usually how we end our night, sipping on some coffee, talking, laughing, watching TV. We try to do this every night just because, you know, throughout the day with work and the kids, it gets a little hard to be able to spend that one-on-one. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and seeing what a day-to-day with my family is like. Please give it a thumbs up and I hope to see you on my next one.
I feel again.